HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a direct connection between a client and a server. It does that with a simple request-response model. By that model, HTTP is also stateless, where every single request response is independent. To use the request-response model, we use specific methods, like post to save, get to get, patch or put to update, and delete to remove our data. There are other methods, but those are mostly used. Each request that goes to a server can hold a body of data, specific parameters, and even headers that we can use, for example, to authorize our users. Each response that goes to a client can hold the result of that request, and also status codes to indicate how that specific request was finalized. Status codes could be 200 and above for success, 400 and above for bad requests, 500 and above for server issues, and so on. To learn more about the HTTP and how it works, be sure to watch some of my suggested videos in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you think that these 1-minute videos are helpful. Bye bye.